Last night I dropped my keys down the elevator shaft at Target. So I don't have a car right now. I mean, my car's at Target.
This plate's still clean.
Welcome back to Nature Show, episode 3. This is our Halloween special. Today we have a couple special guests. There's Brandon, our friend.
Jake, I have to be honest, I get instantly nervous in front of the camera. I don't know if this is going to work out today.
And we got a dog, Mars. And Coraline.
Me.
Yeah. We're going to be going to Robinson Woods. It's a forest we heard about. We heard about it being haunted. And we're going to go and investigate that. So, none of us are really registered haunt experts, but we figured this is a good opportunity to do something out in nature that's related to the season.
Have you ever been in a spooky situation in your life?
I used to have ghosts and demons visit me all the time as a child.
Really?
Yeah, oh yeah.
That explains a lot.
And so this is gonna be.
This is real?
Yeah, it's real.
Oh wow.
This yeah. I used to have these night terrors all the time, where my mom would. It's like when I was 4 and 5, I would wake up screaming all the time, and it got to be so bad that my mom would keep a calendar and X off the days where I wouldn't wake up screaming, and if I could do it for 7 days, then she would buy me a toy in return. And my mom always thought it was demons visiting my room. And so there was
Your mom thought it was demons visiting your room, but she thought the best way to combat that was by buying you toys.
We're gonna go out into nature now.
No one told me what exactly her role is. What's the dog's character?
Well, I've heard that animals are more in tune with ghosts than people.
a tree trimmer.
I think so. I don't know how else that happened.
Wow.
But it happened.
What did she say was the culprit?
She thought tree trimmers trimmed it in half. The other thing I thought about the dog was the dog could help protect us if there is any real danger, maybe.
Yeah, she's never protected me from anything yet, but...
She can smell really well, right?
Yeah.
So we thought maybe in that sense she could help us smell, because one of the things we heard about Robinson Woods is that you can detect the smell of lilacs late at night, in the dead of winter, when there isn't any reason that you should be able to smell them. But also I thought it was lavender, but then I thought I saw on another website it said lilacs. And then I also heard about fresh cut flowers too.
Okay, so maybe we should get...
Hey Mom.
Oh.
Someone called her skinny yesterday. It made me so laugh. They were like, did she lose more weight?
Oh my god. What'd she say?
The dog?
Yeah.
Oh, you're excited. Here. Oh, good girl. Yes, good girl. Look at you. You're so good. Okay.
Velvet purple lily. Is a lily like a lilac? I'm just gonna spray it out.
Smells like hairspray.
Sniff it. So this is one thing the ghosts might smell like.
Lily, is that on the list?
Well, it said lilac.
This is lilac?
It said lilac and violet, and this is velvet purple lily. Stress relief body wash with lavender, chamomile, and ylang ylang. Yeah, that smells different than the last thing.
Yeah. Now that smells like ylang ylang.
It smells nice and pleasant.
Wait, we gotta let the dog smell it. Remember this.
Where are we right now?
We're inside a nice florist type store. It's called Fleur, and they have antiquing, bouqueting, and flowering, and then some other nice stuff. But so we found this thing that's lavender scented. $30.
Aroma flage. This smells like a dude.
now we're at the Dill Pickle. It's a grocery store. It's like a nice natural food store. We found this essential oil. It's calming. Maybe it's like a sign of the ghosts trying to calm themselves.
I don't know much about kombucha.
This is so different than like when you buy like lavender body wash at Bed Bath & Beyond.
I know.
I trust this more.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Cool, so we're set.
You gonna buy it?
Yeah. Chichi Pinque, he also is known by the name Jimmy Caldwell, right? His name's not Jimmy Caldwell.
What is it?
It's Alexander Robinson. They were they promised that they were gonna bury him in Robinson Woods. And then it says online that they broke their promise and they buried him somewhere else. And ever since then, this forest has been kind of haunted. They say sometimes there's bright lights, like little balls of lights that sometimes a camera will pick up if a person's eye can't pick it up. And they think maybe those are the spirits of his family, like bringing water from the river to wherever they're staying.
Are any of you guys the kind of people that will like booga wooga me from behind? Like, you know how when you go to a haunted house and your friends make it scarier for you by like screaming in your face?
Yeah.
Like that kind of thing. I'm like not.
So I usually go to haunted houses alone.
Thought I had a couple in here, but I know I got more elsewhere. We got at least 2 flashlights.
Oh, you are so much tinier than I
Yeah, he's so tiny.
That's so funny. She's super assertive, so I don't know.
Oh my. Yeah,
Here's a couple.
He's a very nervous dog. Very good. But then I like forced him to be friendly. So chubby. But
I designed it so you could do that in case you don't have any hands free.
he loves that toy. It's really
Does this do a cool thing to the camera? Yeah, so now this is nighttime. We just got some flashlights and we're about to go to Robinson Woods and investigate the spookiness. Yeah, I want to talk.
What's going on? Where are we?
We made our way to the Robinson Woods. It took a while to find a place to park the car and then to walk over here, but we're here now. And there's a sign here. So we're looking at this trail map to see where to go. We are here where this star is. And we're thinking about going to Catherine Chevalier Woods. Catherine Chevalier was someone who Robinson Woods married despite having a childless Indian wife already. So maybe we can find something there, some marital strife or other evidence of hauntings.
Smell anything? Watch the dog? Let us know if you do.
Yellow Trail's on the map, right? There was a guy we passed who was walking on the other side of the street. It looked like he was dipping into the forest and then back out again. I don't know who he would be out here right now.
You don't think it was a ghost, do you?
I
I
didn't
would
think
be more
about that.
comfortable if it was a ghost.
See those?
Looks like twigs to me.
Is that bloody? It's a bottle.
Bottle.
If anything,
Why'd the twig do that?
if someone tries to attack us, we can use the lavender to calm them.
Mars. Oh, she's already spooked.
She's spooked by it.
We found a water pump.
Back in the old days, this is how people would get water.
Anything coming out?
No,
You already feel scareder?
I do feel more scared.
So we're going the right way.
It's a lot more closed off, a lot more away from the road. Tree farms.
There's something
tree.
behind you?
Yeah, like an animal.
Something rustling?
Like a small thing. I think it was in the tree.
Crossing the bridge.
It's down there.
Is there some kind of sign like map on the
No.
What is that? What is this? Feels like it's getting darker.
I'm scared. I'm scared, but I'm scared of the animals now because I realize there's a lot of animals out here. You know.
Does anyone smell anything?
I do smell. Wait, yeah. Do you smell that?
Yeah.
It does smell like lavender. So it's a kind of flower.
Should we go in this field? Is that a sign?
It's very brief.
Hello? Just a train. Should we go down there?
Yeah.
Congratulations. Should we stay on the trail?
They do the routine check behind us, you know.
Yeah. You see anything? What was that? I saw something move. Over there. That, like right around there. There. Yeah, I heard something too.
Marge didn't see anything.
Should we go back?
Yeah, you hear it?
Let's go back.
Got a bad feeling?
Yeah.
Okay. We thought we smelled lilacs for a second, or
Twice.
lavender.
2 times, as far as I
times.
count.
There's
And
that
we're-
red light. Now it's gone.
Oh yeah, dude.
Should we run?
Oh, there's a bunch of them, dude.
Shit. Oh shit. We're right by the clearing. We're almost to the clearing.
Why'd you run away?
What was it?
There's like 4 animals down there. You can see their eyes.
No.
I don't know what they were.
Maybe they were deer.
They were pretty low to the ground.
Maybe they were like dogs.
We
I
also
didn't really see. I thought I maybe saw some eyes for a second.
Brandon and I saw them, and there were 2 sets of like
There were 2 sets of very like eyes just like staring at
of
us.
large eyes.
Large
Like,
eyes,
bigger
big
than-
old eyes. Honestly, it looked like, from my thought, I know this sounds strange. I thought they looked like large koala bears. I don't think that that's actually what they were. I was truly scared, and you guys were standing right by them, like just looking for them. And I thought you
I
guys
didn't
saw them
see
and were
them.
watching them, but yeah, they were definitely there.
I don't understand what would have eyes that are that big.
Huh. Well, I guess it could be dangerous to go back. I don't know what we would do once we found them except look at them.
Smoking like a true nature show host.
What,
I'm
scared of an
genuinely
animal?
scared.
Scared of nature?
I am scared of nature. I spent a lot of time in the basement watching Shark Tank.